Today, we have a shocking story to share, more about racism, about the involvement of the president in this matter.
And I am sorry.
About how a monster with a degree remains a university professor until his death, and a symbol of Pittsburgh University even 11 years after the tragedy was discovered, and why someone is trying so hard to hide this history. In the quiet town of Tuskegee, Alabama, during 1930 to 1940, the United States Public Health Service embarked on an experiment that would leave a scar in our history. They wanted to learn about a sickness called syphilis, which is passed through sex. But here is the bad part. They chose African American men from Alabama for this study. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, there were harmful beliefs about African Americans, wrongly linked their race to sexual behavior and health. This all matters because it was with these understandings of race, health, and sexuality that researchers undertook the Tuskegee study. Researchers thought black people were more prone to sexually transmitted infections, like syphilis, and believed they wouldn't seek treatment, regardless of their background. These men were told they'd get free medical help, but they weren't told the truth. They weren't told they had syphilis, a disease that can be really bad. Instead, they were told they had bad blood. Actually, they received no treatment at all. They were tricked. I want to ask you to share this video and subscribe for more, because with such a sensitive topic which US is trying to cover and avoid, I don't think they will recommend it, but we really want and need people to see it and help us fight this kind of injustice. So let me tell what happens next. This study started with 600 African American men. 339 had syphilis and 201 did not. I have to mention again that they weren't asked if they wanted to be in the study. For 40 long years these men went through a lot of suffering. Involved x-rays, spinal taps, and autopsies. Another shocking part of this story is that there already existed medicine to cure syphilis, but they didn't get it. They were given fake pills instead. As time passed, these men got really sick. Some even went blind, couldn't move, and felt a lot of pain. Some of them even died. But here's the shocking part. The study didn't stop until 1972, even after people knew it was very wrong. 28 men died from syphilis and 100 died because of it. At least 40 spouses had been diagnosed with it, and the disease had been passed to 19 children at birth. Only when media talked about it and people got really angry, did the government finally stop the study. But what about those responsible for this tragedy? What happened to the survivors? And why the Health University of Pittsburgh started a lecture series in the name of this monster with a degree, which was going on until 2008? But wait, there's more. This person didn't stop at one bad experiment, he did 2 others, and it's strange that nobody talks about them. Why are they hidden? These questions make us think about racism and why it still happens. Answers are coming in our next video. Join us, subscribe, share, and let's make a world that's fair.